Hey everyone, today we are looking at how to set up and run a custom of infrastructure as a code security scanner, written completely from scratch in Python. It's called Cloud Misconfiguration Detector. It automatically audits your Terraform file from critical security vulnerability before they get deployed to production. Let's clone it down and see how it's gonna work. And that is it. In less than 10 minutes, we went from empty environment to a full operation of DevSecOps scanner pipeline. If you want to use this tool or expand the rule by yourself, check out the repository link below. Don't forget to drop a star on the rope if you found this helpful, and let me know what role should we build next. So subscribe and put like. Bye bye.